Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Zone. Friends, today I have another video and I would say it is pretty informative video which is related to Excel. So friends, in this video we are going to see some of the Excel shortcut which is going to be very handy for us to handle our daily life works where we need to play around lots of data. So in this video friends, what I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you to copy same value into non-adjacent cells. So what do I mean by non-adjacent cells, friends? It is actually you are going to copy same value into a random cells with just a click. Okay, I would say like just a combination of key from your keyboard. You are going to use the same, and you can actually copy the same value across in a single use actually. So what you would require, friends, in this case, like suppose you have city fields here, right? You can see. So suppose I have like something which needs to be repeated, but it should not be in the adjacent field. That means like suppose over here, okay, and we want the same value to be copied across six randomly, any of the cells which is showing down below. So 10, possibly 15 or 17 or 18, right? So if I want to copy these values in these fields, see, this is very small set of data, right? In that case we would not going to worry about that. We can just randomly copy and paste the same value to random cell. But we have suppose like lots of cells where we would require to repeat the same value, then copy pasting things is going to be a little tedious, right? So instead of that, we have like very handy shortcut which we can actually use combination, I would say. So which can we use to actually solve this issue, and it is going to be very quick. Okay, so let's start it without getting late. Okay, so suppose I want to put Mumbai in this second cell, and 8th cell, and 13th one, and 17th and 18th as well. So you can see, guys, right? We have selected these cells by using we have used our mouse key and the control button. We have first press the control button and select the mouse key to select the random cells, and it is going to select it. Okay, so as soon as you have selected, what you would require to actually type the value. See, you can see 18th has you can see like 18th is not in the more darker side, right? It is all us the cell which we have selected, it is gray, right? But if you see the 18th one is not, it is also selected, however it is not showing so gray actually. So that means actually it has been in the focus, so you can actually type whatever you want to type. So let's say I want to type this one, so don't press control. Instead of that, just press control plus enter. As soon as you do that, use your keyboard combination control plus enter. Okay, so as soon as you do that, it will actually copy the same value which is Mumbai across all the selection. Let's do that. You can see that, right? It has copied Mumbai across all the selected cells. So this is the very handy tools. Like handy shortcut, I would say. This is very handy shortcut which you can utilize actually. Okay, and this is not just with the string data, friends. It is going to work with the numerics as well. And it is not like you would require to select the cells in this sequence itself, like from top to bottom. You can do it like any random cells you can select, and you can choose the same combination. It is going to copy the same value across. So let's say we have three different three different columns here. You can see desk, table, and chair. Let's do the same thing with these cells, like columns as well. So what we are going to do, friends, we are going to just use let's say like I would say like I have 10 desks, and okay, and the same thing needs to be repeated into table and chair as well, in the random format, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove first as I have done earlier. So let's just select the columns or cells, whatever you want to call it. So I will select first this and this and this and this and this randomly. See, the selection is actually pretty random, so you can just select in this way itself. Okay, now the last cell which we have selected, which is this, you can see it is not a gray actually. So if you just put, which means like if it is not gray, which means like you can actually type things here. So as soon as you know, say like 10, and just do the same combination, control plus enter, and you will see like the same value will be copied across the selection. See how handy it is. This is personally for me, it is pretty time saving. I like this one actually. This is not all friends. What we can do as well, we can actually use the same thing with the formula. Okay, formulas. So what we are going to do now is like we are going to just connect my microphone. Apologies for that. Yeah. So what we are going to do, we are going to get the total of these columns actually. These quarterly, you can see these quarters actually. So we are going to take the total. Okay, and it is also going to be random. So we are not going to take total of this cell, like this column or something like this column. We are going to take a random. We'll select a random cells. Just select the random first. Choose Control and mouse key. Select like this way, like this way. Okay. Now we have to do either in the formula and use the auto summary, which is this one. If you click that, it is going to give you the total for the respective columns. But what we are going to use instead of this, we can actually use a shortcut, which is Alt plus equal. Okay. You can see, guys, it has provided the summarization of those columns actually, like sum or total when you say of those columns actually. So now you can see how handy this shortcut is. You can see like the formula here. It's showing like either you can use this, yeah, F2 as well to find out the formula actually. You can F2, so you will get to know the formula. It has correctly selected all the columns. So I'm keep repeating the same thing. Handy this shortcut is actually, it is very time saving for me because I am actually working as a software consultant where I had to upload, I would say like 100,000 of data. So in that case, sometimes it is actually this kind of shortcut is going to help you a lot actually. So that's it for today, friends. We will again create a similar kind of videos next time. Okay. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you can, then you can subscribe our channel as well. It is going to help us to motivate to create these kind of informative videos for you guys. Okay, in the future. Thank you guys for being here. Have a great day.